Have you ever heard of a candy so unique that people compare it to a tiny, sweet bullet? That title belongs to none other than M&Ms. At first glance, they're just colorful chocolate candies. But behind every tiny piece lies a story that began during one of the darkest periods in human history, World War II. What started as a practical solution for soldiers eventually transformed into one of the world's most recognizable treats. But the biggest mystery isn't their history. It's how factories manage to produce hundreds of billions of perfectly identical M&Ms every single year. Inside Mars' state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, chocolate flows through massive automated systems like a river. Every second is precisely controlled as liquid chocolate is poured into molds, cooled at just the right speed, and shaped into flawless centers. Advanced robotics and highly skilled engineers work together with incredible accuracy, creating a production line that never seems to stop. It's a fascinating blend of science, engineering, and precision that turns simple ingredients into a global icon. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of these remarkable factories to uncover secrets that most people never get to see. Along the way, you'll discover surprising facts, hidden techniques, and the incredible journey every single M&M takes before reaching your hands. Most people assume M&Ms became famous simply because they taste great. The truth is far more unexpected. In 1941, Forrest Mars Sr. joined forces with Bruce Murray, whose father was a senior executive at Hershey's. Their goal wasn't to create a movie snack. It was to produce chocolate that American soldiers could carry without it melting. Even the name M&M comes directly from their surnames, Mars and Murray. When the war ended, this military invention found its way into civilian life, and demand exploded almost overnight. People couldn't get enough of the colorful candy with the crunchy shell and smooth chocolate center. What began as a wartime innovation quickly became a worldwide phenomenon. But there's another secret hidden inside every bag. Have you ever noticed that some colors appear more often than others? That's no accident. The color mix is carefully planned as part of the brand strategy, and before this video ends, you'll discover which color dominates the pack and why. Every M&M begins its life thousands of miles away in tropical cacao farms across countries such as Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, and Brazil. These warm, humid regions provide the perfect environment for cacao trees to thrive. Unlike most fruit trees, cacao pods grow directly from the trunk, creating a fascinating sight that surprises first-time visitors. Harvest season transforms these plantations into busy workplaces. Farmers carefully cut each ripe pod by hand because even the smallest mistake can damage the tree. Despite modern technology, no machine has yet matched the precision and care of experienced human hands. Here's something even more surprising. Producing less than half a kilogram of chocolate requires more than 400 cacao beans, harvested from roughly 10 to 13 pods. Every tiny M&M represents weeks of patient work, countless hours in the field, and the dedication of farming families who have cultivated cacao for generations. After harvesting, the pods are split open to reveal glossy cacao beans surrounded by a sweet white pulp with tropical fruit flavors. The beans are then placed into baskets or covered with banana leaves to begin fermentation, the stage where ordinary beans are transformed into the foundation of rich chocolate. Over the next 5 to 7 days, natural microorganisms generate heat reaching nearly 50 degrees Celsius. Farmers carefully turn the beans every day to maintain even fermentation and prevent mold. A single mistake during this stage can ruin an entire batch, dramatically changing the chocolate's flavor. Once fermentation is complete, the beans are dried under the sun for several days, constantly turned to ensure uniform drying before being packed into breathable jute sacks. Before shipping, experts inspect sample beans by cutting them open and examining their color, texture, and internal structure. Only beans that meet strict quality standards continue the journey toward becoming the chocolate hidden inside every colorful M&M. The journey becomes even more fascinating once quality experts inspect the cacao nibs. Only nibs that are rich dark brown, firm, and completely free from mold or internal defects are allowed to move forward. This careful inspection isn't just another factory routine. It's the final checkpoint that determines whether the chocolate will deliver the rich taste people expect or fall short before production even begins. Next comes one of the most important and surprisingly risky stages, roasting. This is where ordinary cacao is transformed into the deep, irresistible flavor loved around the world. Depending on the bean variety and moisture level, the nibs are roasted between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius. During these crucial minutes, powerful chemical reactions unlock their signature aroma, rich color, and complex taste. But the margin for error is incredibly small. Roast them too lightly, and the chocolate tastes flat. Leave them in for just a little too long, and bitterness takes over. Every batch is constantly monitored because perfection leaves no room for mistakes. Once roasting is complete, specialized equipment cracks away the fragile outer shells, revealing the precious cacao nibs hidden inside. It may seem like a simple step, but this is the exact moment where rough tropical fruit begins its transformation into one of the world's most beloved sweets. The nibs are then crushed under enormous pressure until they become a thick, glossy paste known as chocolate liquor. Despite its name, it contains no alcohol whatsoever. Instead, it is pure concentrated chocolate, packed with intense flavor and natural richness that forms the heart of every M&M. The chocolate liquor now enters another remarkable stage. Massive hydraulic presses slowly squeeze out golden cocoa butter from the paste. As the pressure builds, the creamy fat flows out like liquid gold, carrying the silky smoothness that gives premium chocolate its famous melt-in-your-mouth texture. What remains after the cocoa butter is removed is called cocoa cake. Instead of going to waste, it is cooled and finely milled into aromatic cocoa powder, an ingredient used in countless desserts, drinks, and chocolate recipes around the globe. The extracted cocoa butter is later reunited with chocolate liquor, sugar, and carefully measured ingredients. Together, they create a luxurious chocolate mixture where every detail is controlled with scientific precision. Every stage builds upon the last, ensuring that every bite delivers the same unforgettable experience. The liquid chocolate is then poured into perfectly shaped molds and cooled until it forms smooth, glossy centers. These chocolate pieces continue into rotating drums where gentle movement removes trapped air, perfects their shape, and prepares them for the stage that gives M&Ms their unmistakable identity. Inside enormous revolving coating pans, layers of syrup are sprayed over the chocolate centers again and again. Between each coating, warm air dries the surface before another layer is added. The process repeats dozens of times until a thin shell becomes a crisp, colorful armor that protects the chocolate from melting while delivering that satisfying crunch with every bite. Those brilliant colors aren't chosen at random either. Every pack contains a carefully balanced mix of red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and brown candies. The proportions are intentionally designed to create an eye-catching appearance that has helped define the brand for decades. But the transformation isn't complete yet. Each candy receives its final signature, the tiny white M, printed with incredible precision. It's a simple detail, yet it instantly turns an ordinary chocolate into one of the most recognizable candies on Earth. The finished M&Ms race onto high-speed packaging lines where advanced machines weigh, portion, seal, and code thousands of packs every minute. From there, they begin an incredible journey to supermarkets, cinemas, convenience stores, airports, and even space missions, reaching chocolate lovers across the globe. What truly makes M&Ms unforgettable isn't just the chocolate. Since the 1990s, each color has been brought to life with its own personality. Red is bold and confident. Yellow is cheerful and kind-hearted. Blue stays cool under pressure. Green carries a playful charm. Brown represents intelligence and confidence, while orange's nervous personality has made him one of the brand's most lovable characters. Fans wanting an even more colorful experience often visit M&M's World, where towering candy walls filled with hundreds of shades allow visitors to create custom color combinations. Guests can even personalize candies with their own photos or messages and take home exclusive merchandise available nowhere else. The famous M itself has also evolved through the decades. First introduced in 1941, it became printed directly on each candy in 1954. The color later changed for greater visibility, while modern redesigns refined the lettering without losing the playful identity that made the brand famous. Every tiny M&M carries far more than chocolate. It represents decades of innovation, remarkable engineering, and an extraordinary journey that begins on tropical cacao farms before ending in the palm of your hand. And just when you think the story ends there, another legendary Mars creation takes the spotlight: Snickers. Introduced in 1930 by Frank C. Mars during one of history's toughest economic periods, the combination of fluffy nougat, gooey caramel, roasted peanuts, and creamy milk chocolate quickly became a worldwide sensation. Today, billions of Snickers bars are enjoyed every year, generating billions of dollars in sales across the globe. The adventure begins once again with premium cacao beans sourced from regions such as Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire. Their exceptional quality forms the foundation of the chocolate coating that gives every Snickers bar its unmistakable flavor. After careful roasting, the beans are cracked open, leaving only the flavorful nibs. These are finely ground into a rich cacao mass that naturally releases creamy cocoa butter, creating the smooth chocolate base before the next critical stage. Conching begins, where hours of mixing transform good chocolate into something truly unforgettable. Just when you think the chocolate is finished, one of the most important transformations is still ahead. The freshly prepared chocolate enters an intensive conching process, where it is mixed continuously for hours. During this stage, the texture becomes incredibly smooth. Next, cocoa butter is blended with sugar, milk powder, and natural vanilla, creating the creamy milk chocolate that has made Snickers famous around the world. But before this chocolate can coat a single bar, it must pass one final challenge: tempering. The chocolate is carefully heated, cooled, and reheated to stabilize its cocoa butter crystals. This delicate process gives every Snickers bar its glossy appearance, satisfying snap, and smooth melt in your mouth finish. Without it, the chocolate would lose both its shine and its signature texture. Meanwhile, another star ingredient is quietly being prepared. The rich caramel layer begins as a simple combination of sugar, glucose syrup, and fresh milk. Slowly cooked under precisely controlled temperatures, it develops its deep golden color, buttery flavor, and perfectly stretchy consistency. Even a slight mistake in timing can ruin the entire batch, which is why every stage is monitored by advanced automated systems. Then come the peanuts, the ingredient responsible for Snickers' unmistakable crunch. Every day, enormous quantities of carefully selected peanuts arrive at the factory, where they are cleaned, sorted, shelled, and inspected. Only kernels that meet strict quality standards continue to roasting. Inside massive industrial roasters, the peanuts develop their rich aroma and golden color. They are constantly rotated to ensure even roasting, creating the perfect balance of crunch and flavor without becoming burnt. When the caramel reaches its ideal consistency, the roasted peanuts are folded into the mixture with incredible precision. Every bar receives a carefully measured amount, guaranteeing the same satisfying crunch in every bite. Beneath it all lies the soft nougat base. Whipped from sugar syrup and airy egg whites, it forms the light yet chewy foundation that holds every layer together. Creating perfect nougat requires exact temperatures and precise timing, because even small variations can completely change its texture. Finally, the fluffy nougat, rich peanut caramel, and roasted peanuts come together to form large candy sheets, ready for the next stage of production where they're cut into the iconic bars recognized around the world. The freshly formed Snickers bars are now shaped with incredible precision. Advanced cutting systems slice the massive candy sheets into perfectly identical bars, ensuring every single piece matches the exact size and weight expected by millions of customers around the world. Even the slightest variation is automatically corrected before the bars move forward. Now comes the moment that transforms these layered treats into the legendary chocolate bar everyone recognizes. Each bar glides through a continuous curtain of silky milk chocolate. First, the bottom is coated to create a smooth foundation, then a second chocolate waterfall completely surrounds the bar. Powerful air jets and gentle vibrations remove every trace of excess chocolate, leaving behind an even, flawless coating. Before the chocolate has a chance to lose its perfect texture, each bar receives its signature finishing swirl across the top. It may look like a simple decoration, but it has become one of the most recognizable details in the candy industry. Moments later, The bars enter a cooling tunnel where the chocolate rapidly hardens, locking in its glossy appearance and satisfying snap. But appearance alone isn't enough. Every Snickers bar must survive an intense quality inspection. High-speed cameras, laser scanners, and precision sensors search for tiny cracks, uneven coatings, or shape imperfections. If even a small defect is detected, the bar is automatically removed, ensuring only the highest quality products continue to packaging. The approved bars are immediately wrapped inside their iconic packaging using fully automated machines capable of processing hundreds of bars every minute. Each wrapper protects the chocolate from moisture, air, and contamination while preserving the fresh flavor until it reaches store shelves across the globe. Although the classic Snickers remains a worldwide favorite, innovation never stops. New varieties continue to appear, offering different flavors and textures while keeping the famous combination of chocolate, caramel, peanuts, and nougat at the heart of every recipe. But our factory journey is only getting started. Behind every beautiful cake sits an extraordinary production process that combines engineering, precision, and creativity. Modern bakeries can produce thousands of cakes every hour, yet every single one still begins with one surprisingly simple ingredient: fresh eggs. Inside the factory, high-speed egg processing systems separate hundreds of thousands of eggs every hour with astonishing accuracy. Within seconds, shells disappear while perfectly clean yolks and whites move into separate processing lines. For premium specialty cakes, however, experienced workers still perform this delicate task by hand to guarantee maximum quality. Next comes flour, one of the true foundations of every cake. Before it ever reaches the mixing bowl, it passes through vibrating sifters that remove impurities while filling it with tiny pockets of air. This simple-looking step plays a huge role in creating the light, soft texture people love. The eggs, sugar, flour, butter, milk, and carefully measured ingredients are blended inside giant industrial mixers. Every manufacturer protects its own recipe, making each cake unique. Some even introduce natural food colors, giving the batter beautiful golden, pink, or pastel shades before it enters production. Automated filling machines then deposit identical amounts of batter into prepared cake molds with remarkable precision. As the filled trays enter enormous industrial ovens, heat begins a fascinating transformation. The proteins strengthen, trapped air expands, and the soft mixture slowly rises into a fluffy sponge with a rich golden color. Soon the factory fills with the unmistakable aroma of freshly baked cake. Yet the real transformation is still ahead. Once cooled, the sponge layers are sliced with razor-sharp precision before moving toward the decorating line, where syrup, fillings, silky frosting, and artistic designs will turn a simple sponge into the stunning cakes displayed in bakeries around the world.